Why do a pig make a hole like that and to go and lay in? Why?
Because they like mud.
They like mud, but why do they like mud?
Because they are untidy.
Pool is one of the things to warm up as well, because a lot of the times your soil or the ground is warmer than it is outside. So then they will dig themselves a hole and they will go and lay in it. But another thing is, you said because they like mud, that is correct. But why do they like, you said they like mud. But the thing is, they like mud because of parasites on their skins.
Okay.
So, and that mud helps to get rid of the parasites.
Okay.
This one is a bit overweight,
Yeah,
but he's about 6 years old now. When we got him, he was about this size. Actually, her. When we got her.
Okay, listen, guys.
And they eat everything.
Yeah.
You know, yeah. Any food, any leftover food. This one is bacon. So their diet is roots, grass. They eat grass. We do give them a little bit of extra food as well, but they will eat anything, meat, bones, everything. So they ain't very particular towards what they want to eat and what not.
Okay. So they also eat human beings.
Depends on children, not I love children. Yeah.
Kelvin, did you hear that?
The naughty one. The naughty one.
Mekanye, they come busy.
Did you
That's
see
it.
those teeth?
Yeah, cook is gonna eat you, my man.
It's not like a just because they
All right, guys, I think we can shift time.
and it does because
Can you
that's
stand
how-
up?
Yeah, it works. Yeah, ask him. Go next to it. Manges, she wants a picture.